Hi guys, my name is AKASYAH bin RIDZUAN. My student ID is 2023490054.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad and DAMIAN FAIZAL. My student ID is 2023491964.
My name is Muhammad Zakaria bin KHAIRIL. My matrix number is 2023657786.
Hi, my name is Muhammad HAZIM bin AMIR and my matric number is 2023 828144.
Hi guys, today I want to show you how to answer the question 1. First, let's read the question. Explain the difference between simple interest and compound interest. What mean by the future value of money? What mean by the present value of money? Okay, let's answer the question. The difference between simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is based on the original principal, meanwhile, compound interest is based on the principal, which grow from one interest interval to another. This means the compound interest grow faster than simple interest, and the longer the time period, the bigger difference. B. Future value of money. The future value of money is the amount of money that represents sum of money will be worth at a future date based on a sum rate of growth. Formula for future value using simple interest is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus RT close bracket. And for compound interest is S equal to P close open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power by N. S for future value, P for principal, R for rate of simple interest, T for time or term, I for interest rate per periods, N for number of periods. C. Present value of money. Present value of money is the amount of money that features sum of money or stream of cash flow inward today based on certain interest rate. Formula for present value is simple interest. P equals to S open bracket 1 plus RT close bracket power by negative 1. For compound interest, P equals to S divide open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power by N. S for future value, P for principal, R for rate of simple interest, T for time or term, I for interest rate per periods, N for number of periods.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad and DAMIAN. Today I'm going to show you how to answer question 2. So let's take a look at the question first. The table below shows Global Bank offers two interest rate for fixed deposits. Offer 1, 12% compounded quarterly. Offer 2, 13.55% simple interest. If you want to invest for 1 year, which offer would you choose? Okay, so the solution is, let's say P is 1000. We're going to use the formula S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N for offer 1. The P is 1000, the I is 12% per 4, the N is 4. So we're going to put all of those in the formula. So we're going to derive this S equal to 1000 multiply with open bracket 1 plus 0.03 close bracket to the power of 4. So that we're going to get S equals to 1,125 ringgit 51 cents. For offer 2, we're going to use S equal to P open bracket 1 plus RT close bracket. P equals to 1000, the interest equals to 13.55%, T equals to 1. So we put all those in the formula. So we look like this. S equal to open bracket 1000 close bracket open bracket again 1 plus open bracket again 0.1355 close bracket and open again 1. Then we're going to multiply 1000 with 1.1355 and we're going to get 1165 ringgit 50 cents. And then we're going to compare both of the offers, and and it shows here that offer 2 is slightly higher than interest 1, so the answer is offer 2.
Question 3A. RM800 is invested for 5 years and 10 months. This investment is offered interest rate of 9% compounded every 3 months for the first 3 years and 7% compounded monthly for the rest of the period. Calculate the amount at the end of the investment period. How much interest was earned? Question 3B. The sum of money RMX was deposited in saving account with interest 6% compounded monthly on 1 June 2017. On 1 September 2019, RM500 was withdrawn and balance as of 1 April 2023 was RM 6,464 and 4 cents. Find the value of the X. Question 3A. We need to find the amount at the end of the period. First thing, we need to find the amount at the 3-year period. So using the formula of S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. So P is equal to 800, I is 9% over 4, and N is equal to MP. 4 times 3 is 12. We get that the S is equal to RM 1044 and 39,992 cents. This is we build the P. Using the same formula, we get that the P is equal to 1044 and 39992 cents. I equal to 7% over 12, N equal to MT 12 times 2 plus 10 over 12, which is 34. And we get the amount at the end of the period is RM 1273 and 31 cents. In order to find the interest earned, we need to using the formula of I equal to S minus P. So S is 1273 and 31 cents and P is 100. We get that the interest earned is 473 and 31 cents. 3B, we need to find the amount of the S. First up, we need to compound the amount that get withdrawn 500 and plus it with the amount at 1 April 2023. So we need to find the time from 1 September 2019 to 1 April 2023, which is 3 years and 7 months. Using the formula of S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I cos bracket to the power of N, we get that at the P equal to 500, I equal to 6% over 12, and N equal to MT, 12 times 3 plus 7 over 12, we get 43. Using the formula of S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N, we get that S equal to 690 and 5989311. So we plus it with the amount at 1 April 2023, then we get RM 7083 and 998931 cents. Okay, after that we need to find the time from 1 June 2017 to 1 April 2023. So we get that the time period is 5 years and 10 months. Using the same formula, we get that P is equal to X, I equal to 6% over 12, and N equal to MT, 12 times 5 plus 10 over 12, we get 17. So using the same formula, S equal to P, open bracket 1 plus I, cos bracket to the power of N, we get that X is equal to 4,996 and 37 cents.
Question 4. You are assigned to set up a company and need to borrow a RM 250,000 loan for 20 years. There are two banks that you have surveyed for the loans. Below are the details of the banks. Firstly is Star Banks. Interest rate charge is 3% compounded quarterly. Frequency of payment is every 3 months. Secondly is Moon Banks. Interest rate charge is 4% compounded every 2 months. Frequency of payment is every 2 months. Question 4a. Calculate the periodic payment and total interest charge for each bank. First of all, you need to list down the information that have been given in the question. Secondly, you need to list down the formula that you will use to solve this question. The formula is present value formula, which is n equal to r bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket minus n divided by I bracket. Then put the information into the formula, which is 250,000 equal to r bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.03 divided by 4 bracket minus 80 divided by 0.03 divided by 4 bracket. Then solve the equation. You will get the answer r equal to rm 4167.05. Then for the second task, you need to search for interest charge, which is you will use the formula, list down the formula first. You will use the interest charge formula, which is I equal to R NR minus A. Put the information into the formula, which is 80 bracket 4167.05 bracket minus 250,000. Then solve the equation. You will get the answer for interest charge. Star Bank interest charge is RM 83394. Then apply the same step to the Moon Bank. You will get the periodic payment for Moon Bank is R equal to RM 3033.19. Then the interest charge for Moon Bank is 113 RM 113,982.80. That's the answer for this question. Question 4b. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A and give your reason? For this question, you need to list down the formula first. We use the intercharge formula, which is I equal to NR minus A. Solve and put the information into the formula, then solve it. You will get for Star Bank RM 83394, and for the Moon Bank is RM 113,982.80. Then based on the answer, you need to choose the lowest intercharge. For this answer, I think the Star Bank is the lowest. So the answer for this question is Star Bank because the intercharge is lowest than Moon Bank. Answer the following questions C and D depending on the bank you selected in B. Question 4C. If you fail to make the first 3 payments, how much should you pay on the first payment to settle all the outstanding area? To answer this question, first of all, you need to draw the timeline so that you can illustrate the process on this question. Next, you need to list down the formula that you will use to answer this question. To answer this question, we need to use the future value formula, which is S equal to R bracket 1 plus I bracket N minus 1 divided by I bracket. Then put the information into the formula, which is 4167.05 bracket 1 plus 0.03 bracket 4 minus 1 divided by 0.03 divided by 4 brackets. Then solve the equation. You will get the answer RM 16856.66. That the amount of the outstanding area. Question 4D. If you want to settle all the loan immediately after paying for 15 years, calculate first the amount you need to pay, second the total interest paid. For the first question, you need to list down the information, then list down the formula. The formula that we will use is the present value formula. which is A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket minus N divided by I bracket. Then put the information into the formula, which is 4167.05 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.03 divided by 4 bracket minus 20 bracket divided by 0.03 divided by 4 brackets. Then solve the equation, you will get the answer RM 77123.84. Move to the next question is the total interest paid. So you need to list down the information, then list down the formula, put the information into the formula. The formula that we will use is interest charge formula, which is I equal to NR minus A. Put the information into the formula, which is bracket 60 multiply 4167.05 bracket plus 77123.84 bracket minus 250,000. Solve the equation, then you will get RM 77146.84. That's the answer for this question.